For your friend's birthday party, you want to order a pizza pie. You call a local pizzeria and you have a couple of different choices. You can order either regular, deep dish, or thin crust. You also have a choice of 6 different toppings and 4 different flavor crusts. How many different combinations of pizza can you order? And you're given 4 choices: A, 24, B, 72, C, 84, and D, 120. Now at this point, I'd like you to please pause this video, try this problem out for yourself, or at least try to generate an idea of how you would solve this problem. So first think, what does this question ask me? Well, it asks, how many different combinations of pizza can you order? How many different combinations? And remember, when looking for the total number of ways possible, or the total number of possibilities or ways, use the fundamental counting principle. Now, it may sound a little intimidating, but it's very simple. You simply just multiply all the different possible ways. For example, multiply all the possible ways of ordering a pizza pie. So you begin with the number of different crust types. Let's take a look. And you see you have regular, deep dish, or thin crust. So there's a total of 3 different types of crust. So let's add a 3 there. Then let's go to the number of choices of toppings. And we see from the problem, there are 6 different topping choices. 6 different choices. And lastly, the number of choices of flavor crusts. And we read there are 4 different flavor crusts. We'll put a 4. And looking back at the fundamental counting principle, we're going to remember to multiply. So now we're going to simply multiply 3 times 6 times 4. And that gives us 72, which leads us to choice B. And please go on to the next problem.